Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation that you see here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the transmission control module, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Well guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So for the transmission control module, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them guys, we will demonstrate on this BMW here. Now guys, BMW X3, X4, they're built on the same platform, so it should work for both. What we guys need to do now here, we'll check multiple fuse boxes, but the first one is on the passenger side. So open the passenger door, open the glove box, and you will need to remove everything out of the glove box, because in the very back on the right side you have a cover. Press that tab, pull that cover out. Behind it you're going to find guys that you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do is check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So here guys, in this fuse box specifically, okay, that we have here, we need to check up to 5 fuses, but then we need to go to a couple more fuse boxes. We will talk about that, so please make sure to stay until the end. And if we come guys to the upper section right here, that's fuse number 36, excuse me now, yeah, that's right, 36, 37, that fuse right here, 37 will need to be checked. Then you guys need to check fuse number 40, so that's 38, 39, 40, that fuse here will need to be checked. Next, check fuse number 63, that's on the very bottom. If you come right here, you're going to check that 62, 63. You need to check fuse number 64, so these two fuses, 63, 64, and fuse number 66 will be this one right here. Check that relay here as well. Now guys, you have a few more things. If you open the trunk, I want to show you now one thing. Usually the main fuse box is behind that cover. when you remove the cover and leave that insulation, you have the fuse box. You have a few hidden relays right here that you may check, but guys, you need to go to a different section. Here, okay, leave the cover. Underneath your car battery, on top of it you have another hidden fuse box. If you open that one, you can test it without opening it, by the way. Check all of these fuses. That may cause problems with transmission as well. Another thing, you're gonna go to the front, okay, of the vehicle. Let me show you now. And you will need to come, okay, 2 fuse boxes will need to be checked on the passenger side. If you remove that cover here, you will get to the cabin air filter. Next to it you have a fuse box that looks like this one, and that's what it looks like, guys. Now check this one, but most likely your problem will be, you see that cover here by the windshield. If you remove it, that's the brake fluid reservoir. You have a white cover. You have, guys, right here the clip. Remove it. And underneath you're going to have another fuse box, that one right here. Okay, and if you remove it, it looks like this one. You have a couple of fuses hidden underneath it. We'll make a video how to open it, but usually if you have a problem, you're supposed to replace the whole thing. Check these fuses and these relays, that's for engine management and transmission as well. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.